hi everybody. Today I am going to discuss about similar triangles, exercise 6.3, problem number 14. It is similar. It is a problem related to similarity criterions. Many students feel difficult to understand this problem. So today I will explain how to solve this problem. In this problem, it is given sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are proportional to PQ and PR. Not only sides, it is given that AB, AC is proportional to PQ, PR, and they are also proportional to AD and PM. So AB, AC, AD are proportional to PQ, PR, PM. This is the given information, and they are asking to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now let us see how to solve it. Now, in any problem geometry related, first we will write what is given information. So here given information is what is given in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. It is mentioned that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is given. Sides AB by PQ, AC by PR is also equal to AD by PM. That information is given where AD comma PM are medians. What are AB and PM here? AD comma PM are medians in triangle ABC comma triangle PQR respectively. This is the given information. For using this information, what we have to prove? We have to prove that two triangles are similar. Which two triangles? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This information we have to prove. To prove this, we need to do construction. So let us write what construction we have to do. Construction, what we have to do here? See carefully. We have to extend AD. We have to extend this AD to E. Extend AD to E such that AD is equal to D. We should extend AD up to E such that AD and D are equal, and then join BE and CE. Hope you understood what I did here. Extend AD to E, then join BE and CE. Similarly, there also. We joined these two and we extended this. Similarly, here also what we have to do, we have to first extend PM to N such that PM is equal to Mn, and then join Qn and Rn. Like this. So like this. Let's make it more visible so that we'll understand what I am doing in construction also. So this is the construction you have to do here. So what we did, construction you have to write here. What I did here, extend or produce AD to AD to E such that AD is equal to D. Similarly, one more what extend what you have to extend PN to L such that PM is equal to EMI. Okay, now construction is that we have to do this construction and also I forgot here you have to join. What we have to join BE comma C and in that triangle QN comma RN. So you have to join this. So this is what construction part. Now once construction part is finished, we have to go for proof. Now this is the main part of the solution. And in proof, what we have to do, we have to prove. Actually, our main aim is what to do ABC similar to PQR. To prove that we have done this construction also. After we are doing this construction, what you have to do? You take the given ratio, what is given here, the information you get. What we know that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AB by PM. Then here, before we are writing this, you have to prove that these two, A, B, E, C and P, Q, N, R, A, B, E, C and P, Q, N, R are parallelograms. How can we prove A, B, E, C and P, Q, N, R are parallelograms? Now, once you take in quadrilateral A, B, E, C, we know AB is equal to D. This we know by construction. And we also know BD is equal to DC. Why BD is equal to DC? Because AD is median. Median bisects opposite side. So AD is equal to DE, AD is equal to DE, and BD is equal to DC. Means what diagonals are bisecting each other. In a quadrilateral, if diagonals bisect each other, it is a parallelogram. Therefore, we can say AD EC is a parallelogram. Why? Because diagonals are bisecting each other. When ABC is a parallelogram, which can say that BE is equal to ESC. Why BE is equal to ESC? Because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. We proved ADEC is a parallelogram. Once we know AD is a parallelogram, B and C are equal because they are opposite sides of parallelogram. So similarly, we can also write. Similarly, we can also write PR is equal to QN. PR is equal to QN. Now we have to take the given ratio. What is our ratio? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is given ratio. Now in this ratio, we will replace AC as E and QN as PR. Then what we get here? AB by PQ is equal to AC is what PE. So B by what it is PR, no, not QN. B by QN is equal to AD by PM. I am writing here as 2AD by 2PM. I can also write it as AD by PM as 2AD by 2PM, where 2AD is nothing but PD and 2PM is nothing but PL. So 2AD I am writing by 2PM and multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator. Now again one more time we can write the same ratio as this implies AD by PQ, AB by PQ AB by PQ is equal to BE by QN is equal to AE by PN. Why I wrote it as AE by PN? Because 2 times AD can be written as AE. AD is half of AE. No? So 2 times AD is AE, 2 times PN is PN. So now if you observe, we got these two triangles similar. Which two triangles similar? ABE, triangle ABE is similar to triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN. You can observe. We got three sides ratios. What we got AB by PQ is equal to BE by QN is equal to AE by PN. So I got two triangles similar. When these two triangles are similar, we can see that we know that triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN we got. Therefore, what we can say angle corresponding angles are equal. So angle BAE is equal to this part. Angle BAE is equal to angle QPN. Angle BA is equal to angle QPN. Let us take this is 1. This is 2. So 1 is equal to 2. Because two triangles are similar. So now, similarly, what we can say when these two triangles are similar, same way we can prove these two triangles similar. ACE and PRN also we can say similar. When these two are similar, we can also say CAE is equal to RPN. Similarly, we can say that angle CAE is equal to angle RPN. This is taken as 1 and this as 2. Now equation 1 and 2 we have to add. When you add equation 1 and 2, you get angle BAE plus angle CAE is equal to angle QPN plus angle RPN. So once observe that BAE plus CAE, CAE is this. Let us take this as 3. BAE plus CAE is nothing but 1 plus 3, which is nothing but angle A. So this is angle A. And this one QPN plus RPN. QPN plus RPN is what? QPR, which is nothing but angle P. So by this, what we proved at last, angle A is equal to angle P we proved. Once you prove angle A is equal to angle P, already we know given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Already you know AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Now we got angle A is equal to angle B. So we got AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Already we know. Now angle A is equal to angle B. Therefore we can say triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR by SAS. Is proved. Hope you understood the solution. Because many students they confuse. Let me quickly tell you shortly what I did. First, I did given thing which is given proportional. AB, AC, AD are proportional to PQ, PN, PR. That means what AD by AB by PQ is equal to AD by PN is equal to AC by PR. That is given. And what they are asking to prove, you have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now what we did for that, we did one construction. I extended AD to E such that AD is equal to DB and PM to N such that PM is equal to MN. Then after that, I joined BECG, QN, RN. That is our restriction. Now after that, I think ABEC is parallel. How? Because AD is equal to DE by construction, BD is equal to DC. Because AD is median, then what happens in a quadrilateral? If diagonals bisect each other, we can say that is a parallelogram. So here ABEC is a parallelogram because diagonals are bisecting each other. When ABEC is a parallelogram, in a similar way, in the same way, we can also prove PQNR is also a parallelogram. So when these two are parallelograms, we can write BE in the place of it AC because they both are equal opposite sides. Similarly, QN in the place of PR because they are also Opposite sides are equal. Now I took this ratio here. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AB by TF. In that AC I replaced as BE and PR I replaced with QN. Now I got the ratio AB by PQ is equal to, in the place of the AC I wrote BE, in the place of PR I wrote QN. So AB by PQ is equal to BE by QN is equal to 2 times AD by 2 times PM, which can be written as AD by PM. So I got finally AD by PQ is equal to BE by QN is equal to AD by PM. So I got this half triangle similar. When these half triangles are similar, you know angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These half angles are equal because two triangles are similar. In the same way, other side angles also we can do similar. We can say similar angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because that side triangles are also similar in the same way. So now what? When 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4. That's what I did here. BAE is equal to QPN, BAE is equal to QPN, and CAB is equal to RPM. Then BAE plus CAE is equal to QPN plus RPM, which means angle A is equal to angle P. Now we already know AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, and we know angle A is equal to angle P. So by SA similarity criterion, we can say two triangles are similar. Hope you will understand this solution by seeing this video. It will help you. Thank you.